Welcome to Liesel's Artistic Studio. I can hardly believe winter is on its way here and Christmas is next month. So this week, I thought I would show you how to paint these fun and easy festive holiday berries. So let's get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Supplies are pretty simple today. All we need is a piece of watercolor paper, and this is optional, but if you want, you can do like I did and quickly and lightly sketch the shape and position you want your branch to be in. Then I've got two brushes today, this large one for a bit of the background area, but this small round brush is what I will be mostly using today. I also have water, a paper towel, and watercolor paints. I've only got three colors that I'll be using today. I've got a nice dark brown, red that has been watered down a little for a light red, and dark red for the berries. And if you don't have dark red, you can take your ordinary red and add a touch of black to it. So first, using the brown and my small brush, I'm going to paint a thin and sort of squiggly branch for the berries. I'm having my branch angled downwards, so I'll start in the upper right-hand corner and then slant it down towards the bottom left. And of course, you can add as many branches to it as you want. Now I'm going to add just a touch of the light watered down red to a few spots in my background. So first I'll take some water and wet the paper where I want the color to spread to. Then I'll just take a small amount of red and dab it onto that wet area and allow it to spread. If you need to, you can help push the color around a little bit with your brush, and if you feel like the color is too dark or too much, just take your paper towel and lightly dab off some of that extra color or water. Then just repeat that process until the background is how you want it to look. When the background has dried completely, we're going to have some fun with a few splatters. So load your brush with color and then just flick the brush with your finger to create some splatters on your page. Now it's time to paint the berries. So using your small brush and the dark red, start painting a circle of color at the end of a branch. When you've got that nice circle of color, then rinse your brush off, dab the excess water onto your paper towel, and use that wet brush to spread the circle of color throughout the rest of the berry. It also might be fun to leave a tiny spot white on your berry so it gives it the appearance of a shiny highlight. Keep in mind, too, that it might be a good idea to create the berries with a variety of values, or even overlap the berries a little. Then just continue painting these berries until you feel satisfied with the look. Now for the final step and finishing touch to this painting, we are going to take some brown and paint some nice thin branch lines connecting each berry to the main branch. And here is your beautiful, fun, and festive berry branch that you can frame and use as a lovely decor piece or paint for your very own personalized Christmas cards. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to my channel so I can continue to help you discover your artistic side.